It's just me and you.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna make the styling to the icon bar that I said in the last video. So first, open VS Code again, like from the last video. And now open the icon bar folder that we did. So right here it is. So now go to index.html file and just say it's all good. So now create a file called style, rename it, and rename it called style.css, and go to index.html again, and now here just say link href is equals to style.css and rel is equals to style sheet, and just close it. And now go to style.css and just say body and open parentheses. Oh, to make it even look better, I'm just put the theme to this one that we put in the last video, and here just say margin and just say 0. We don't need any margin in the body. Next, just say dot container. This is the class that we create in every like HTML files. So now just go to style.css again and just open the like the curly braces again, and just say what is it? Width is equals to 100%, and then so it will make the width to be 100%. Next, say background color. So to make background color, and just say hashtag 555, and next say overflow is equals to auto. So next, just say icon container and now say a means the thing that we know as like the thing to link everything. So to make the a to be like float left. Next, say width and just say calc and open parentheses. In there say 100%, and now say divided by 3. So we have 3 icons, so just put the 3 icons to make it look even better, and then say text align is equals to center, and then say padding. So we'll add some padding and put it for 12 pixels maybe, and then just 0, leave it 0. Then next, put some transition to make it look better because it's good, but like it moves in nanoseconds, it doesn't look good. So just say all 0.2 seconds and put it to ease. Next, just say color color, and maybe white. It does look good. And next, say font size. Font size to be 36 pixels. So now we are done with the styling. So let's look it up how it is. So now go to index.html and go with open with live server, and this is how it is. So we can move. Ooh. Okay, I know why this isn't happening, because we just put this styling just for this index.html. So copy it and put it to everything. So the styling is not working for like them. So now do it again, and now it doesn't look good. But one thing is for sure, it doesn't really look good, because when we're like just coming on it, it doesn't look good. So just say here, just say dot container a colon hover, and open the curly braces again, and just say background color to black. So next, just say a dot container a hover, no, a dot container, and just say no, I'm not gonna do that. Out of doing something, but I'm not going to do it. So then let's look at here. So now go here. Oh, there's another problem. So when we go here, it doesn't look like I'm in the home page, but when we look on the link, it does. But so when I go just with here, it just, we don't know where we are. We just click on it. But I think if somebody thinks I'm the coder, so I know it's really going there. But if somebody sees my page and just says this is not working, so just say go to index.html and put a class is equals to, like here, just put class is equals to active to everyone. So put it to everyone. I already put it. So here, just go to style.css and just say dot active, and open the like the thing again, the curly braces again, and just say background color is hashtag ff1 f1 f. So this is a kind of orange red type of thing. So when we go here, it doesn't look like it. It does look good. So this is the icon bar, and thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and like, share this video, and comment on this video. Thank you guys.